Hey everyone, welcome to this new guide video where I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT is on capacity error. So many times when you open up ChatGPT, it gives you an error which says it has reached its capacity. Now the main reason this is happening is because there are a lot of users using ChatGPT at the moment. But however, I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can fix this error and successfully log into your ChatGPT. Now the first way is open up your chat.openai.com, and many times this screen won't open up and it's gonna say capacity error, or when you log into your account it's gonna say capacity error. In this case, what I suggest you to do is reload your page a couple of times. Do it for 5 to 6 times, and once you do it for a couple of times, this screen should open up and the capacity error message should go away. Either you are on this page or in the login page. You can do for any of the page, you can just click on the reload button on the top a couple of times. So that's the first way of fixing it. The second way is you can try to clear your cookies of your browser. To do that, click on the three dots that you see on the top right, and then hover over history and click on history. Once you're here, click on clear browsing data on the left and make sure that at least 7 days is selected, and make sure you check cookies and other site data. Once you do, you can just click on clear data. Clearing the cookies of data will help you in solving this issue if this is causing due to cookies. Now even if doing this does not work, you can try logging into ChatGPT using some other browsers. So if you're using Google Chrome, you can try using Microsoft Edge or any other browser other than the current one you're using. After you do these couple of steps, you should be able to log into your account and use ChatGPT. But if you're still not, then that means you just need to wait out a couple of hours until the users on ChatGPT decreases, and you will be able to use ChatGPT without having that error message. That's the only thing that you can do at last if any of the solutions don't work for you. So that was the video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos related to this, make sure you turn on the notifications of our channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.